It's bath time, and we're making uplifting and relaxing bath truffles for you and your friends. Bath truffles are a little bit easier to make than bath bombs, and they contain more rich and hydrating oils and butters. To use, add 1 or 2 bath truffles to your bath. First, I'm adding 4 cups baking soda and 1 cup citric acid. Here I should have added in my peppermint powder, but I forgot. Then I'm melting cocoa butter wafers and avocado oil. Right when I took my double boiler off the heat, I finally remembered that peppermint powder. Then I added 15 drops of peppermint essential oil, 7 drops of cocoa absolute, a half cup of liquid Castile soap, and 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin. Next, I'll slowly add the oil mixture to the mixing bowl of dry ingredients while constantly stirring. Don't oversaturate. Once your mixture is the consistency of damp sand, it's time to scoop your bath truffles onto parchment paper and let dry overnight. I chose to sprinkle cacao shells on top to look like chocolate chips. Let the bath truffles harden for a day or 2. You can visit blog.mountainroseherbs.com for the full recipe.